Okay, so I forgot to mention about this thing. I did say that there's a pull down menu on this thing. For most of you who just open up AutoCAD for the first time, may not have that on there. You probably just have the window ribbons or the ribbons on there. This pull down thing is a feature that AutoCAD kept from their old software, older versions. Okay, most people don't use this. Sometimes I use it because it's a little bit more handy to grab. Just like in Rhino, I would always go to either the icon or pull down or type in. Yeah, in that way, AutoCAD also has the pull down menu, the icon, basically all of these ribbons, as well as the typing in of the command. So if you want line, you might type in line or what. But if you would like this thing on, if you would like the ribbon on, not the ribbon, the pull down menu on there, go to this pull down arrow right there, and towards the bottom it will say menu bar. Mine says hide because I had it shown. But if I go ahead and do this and go to show menu bar, that pull down menu would pop up. Okay, and this is personal preference. If you want to set it up that way, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine too. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Do all of you have this command prompt or command ribbon right there at the very bottom? Okay. What I would like for you to do with this is I'm going to bring it up top so that you could read this thing. I know that on the monitor you should be able to see it, but if you're looking up at the screen, you may not be able to, so I'm going to put it up there. What I suggest is to go to one of the edges and pull this down so you see about 4 command prompt lines. That will help you to, when you set a command, sometimes the command lines buzz up really quick. This way you could kind of see everything that's happening and you'll be able to decipher what's going on. I'm going to lock it into place just by putting it on top, and it'll just stay there. And I'll keep mine on here. I usually keep this on the bottom where it's kind of out of the way and stuff, but for this, at least it's on the screen for everybody to review. Okay? And with that, we should be good. So with the command prompt, we have a choice of going to the pull down menu, or going to the ribbons, or typing in the command in here. So like I said, if you want to draw a line, that's a command for line. Escape. If I want to draw a line through the pull down menu, line is there. Also, if you want to go click into the command prompt line, command line window, you could just type in line, and there it is. There are a lot of shortcuts in AutoCAD, so like if you just type in L and enter, that would be a line command. So there's lots of shortcut keys. L for line, C for circle, several different things. All right, so the faster way to plug a command in AutoCAD is to type it in. But that being said, it's up to your personal preference in which way to work it. All right, so we'll leave that up to you. We'll just kind of show you what's going on. All right.